And introduce you to some of India's crafts. Once a part of India's majestic dynasties is now part of our wardrobes or households. Presenting fashion show that represents 5 dynasties of India that greatly shaped India, its culture and clothing over the years. Presenting first dynasty, the opulence of the Delhi Sultanates and Rajputs of Rajasthan. These dynasty brought Jardoji and Gotapatti work to India that has greatly become a part of our culture. This imperial craft was brought to India by Delhi's first Gurkhan sultans in the 12th century. Gotapatti was a very prominent form of embellishment during Mughal and Rajput period. It was traditionally done on temple idols, cloths on offering prayer, on royal outfits. The models representing this dynasty with their exquisite clothing are Gautam Gandhi, Sonali Gandhi, Gaurav Chawla, Ekta Chawla, Naina Sharma, Neha Gupta, Yama Pandit, Smita Jain. Next, presenting second dynasty, Gujarat, Cholukya Solanki dynasty that brought Patola and Bandhani style to India. The most popular type of Ikkat sari is the Bandhani sari, which features delicate tying and dyeing techniques. Another type of Ikkat sari is the Patola sari, which is made with a more complex weaving technique that results in intricate patterns. The term Bandhani is derived from the word Bandhan, that means tying up. Did you all know about 5,000 years ago Indian tie and dye or Bandhani was started? The models representing this dynasty with their exquisite clothing are Meena Shah, Vaibhav Shah, Disha Doshi, Sweta Sheth, Nihal Shah, Jigna Shah, Agni Rawal, Neha Bhim Jiani. Presenting third dynasty, Vala dynasty that reflected in their clothing Maratha Empire with Nawari sari in Paithani, Narayana Bed style. Paithani sari sari are one of the saris considered a royal sari of Maharashtra. Pedli sari are the origin of antiquities patronized by the royal dynasty of Pathan near Aurangabad. The weaving is more than 2000 years old. The Peshwai period has made Pedli sari the symbol of royal and traditional dressing in Marathwada. Did you know a beautiful Pedli saris require 6 months to 2 years to complete and are created by setting up each strand of the handloom? The models representing this dynasty with their exquisite clothing are Vaishali Thakre, Pure Thakre, Parita Gandhi, Shibhangi Gupte, Vrinda Nargoda, Rashmi Jaiswal, Kiran Sahu, Monica Seni. Presenting 4th Dynasty Kanjivaram, the pride of the Pallavas, Cholas and the Vijayanagar Dynasty. Kanjivaram is just not a variety of sari but it's a representation of coming together of traditions which thrived under the Pallava dynasty, and the patronage was then carried on by the Chola and the Vijayanagar dynasty. The origin of the silk saris can be traced back to the city of Kanchipuram. It is one of the most ancient cities of India. The models representing this dynasty with their exquisite clothing are Satish Chandran, Mahalakshmi Chandran, King Garbadu, Rajvans Joshi, Deepika, Pati, Ballari, Kanjilal, Manjula Reddy, Jana, Dakka, Majumdar. Dynasty, the sublime side of the Mughals chicken embroidery. One clothing material that stands the serene and intricate beauty is chikankari, known for simplicity and elegance. Hailing initially from the courts and later the streets of Lucknow, chikankari craft represents a beautiful amalgamation of elaborate embroidery with elegance. This art form incorporates approximately 36 different stitching techniques that often combines embellishment of pearls and mirror work. The chikankari embroidery flourished the most under the Mughal Empire. The models representing this dynasty with their exquisite clothing are Poonam Kapila, Vikas Kapila, Meenakshi, Nandwani, Bhavna, Tiwari, Shefali, Bansal, Ruchi Shah. presents all of the dynasty of India in fusion form. The young models for this are Aishwarya Kapila, Alisha Kapila, Urvika Bansal, Hele Sheth and Gul Chawla.
Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Raise up the one, light it up to the beat. Come on, this what I do, and every night I do this. I go to come and baby, this will do me work. Just move it on, it's a lot. Just move it on, it's a lot. Show her the beat, it's a lot. What's the beat, it's a lot. Tell them like it is.
Let us
She got the sound in her.
Presenting the showstoppers of the evening, Monica Jane, Gandhi, and Sonali Gandhi.